Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we will talk about splash screens in React Native. Specifically, we will focus on Expo SDK 52. Splash screens are important. They are the first thing users see. Let's make them look great. A splash screen shows up when your app starts. It hides the loading process. It also lets you show your brand. It makes your app feel professional. Without it, users might see a blank white screen. This is not a good user experience. Expo makes adding a splash screen very easy. For Expo SDK 52, everything starts in your app.json file. This file controls many aspects of your app. Inside app.json, you will find a splash object. This is where you define your splash screen. First, you need an image. This image will be your splash screen graphic. Place it in your project. A common path is ./assets/splash.png. Then, in Splash, add an image property. Set its value to the path of your image. For example, image./assets/splash.png. Next, choose a resizeMode. Contain is a popular choice. It scales the image to fit without cropping. It keeps the aspect ratio. Cover fills the whole screen, possibly cropping. Native uses platform defaults. Most often, Contain works best. You also need a background color. This color fills the screen behind your image. Choose a color that matches your brand. For example, background color, #FFFFFF for white. You can also set different splash screens for Android and iOS. Use Android and iOS objects inside Splash. They can override the general settings. This is useful for platform-specific branding. Expo SDK 52 also supports dark mode. You can define a dark object inside Splash. This lets you specify a different image or background color for dark mode. This is a great feature for modern apps. For example, dark image./assets/splash dark.png, background color, number 000000. For your splash image, use a high-resolution PNG file. PNGs support transparency. This can be useful. Consider different device sizes. Make sure your image looks good on all screens. Test your splash screen often. After changing app.json, restart your Expo server. You might need to clear your cache. Use Expo Start Clear. Sometimes, you need to rebuild your native app. This happens if you change image assets significantly. For bare workflow, you would rebuild. In managed workflow, Expo handles much of this. The splash screen will show briefly. Then your app content will load. You can do more advanced things. You can make the splash screen fade out. Or you can use a custom native module. But for most apps, the app.json configuration is enough. It provides a great user experience. It is simple to implement. And that's how you set up a splash screen. This is for your React Native Expo SDK 52 app. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Your app will look polished. Users will appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This helps me create more videos like this. See you in the next one.